2607 Orchard Meadows. HOA maintains the landscaping in the front. Garage looks good, stucco looks good. Okay, front door could use a little bit of touch up. We have tile, as you can see, vinyl blinds, so probably replace those. The 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. I'm deciding on the paint condition right now. It's not bad. The AC looks new. Probably remove that dish. Clean that up. Microwave is taking up a lot of space on that counter. We have recently found a microwave that is small enough to fit in these units. That is a space saver microwave. Just made that discovery recently. The dishwasher is white, by the way. I'm going to point that out. This bathroom is the powder room for guests. I've decided the paint condition is overall fine. Carpet, I don't think it will survive. Need some blinds, need some cleanup. Vinyl here, probably replace that at about $5 a square foot, unless we need to install hardy back or repair the subflooring. That goes up $1 or so a square foot. The nice thing about these floor plans is they have 2 masters. Replace those vinyl blinds. The carpet looks okay in here. Maybe some touch up in here? Vinyl, replace that as well. Looks like there has been some water damage here. That's fairly normal. We just need to find out what the SRPD says. Okay, that's the house.